going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Today, guys, we will be testing out the launch control on the M5. You guys can see it right here. So I've done this like once, maybe twice before. I haven't done it ever since I did the JB4 tune. So we're gonna see how it is. We're gonna see how it feels and stuff. There is a little process to doing the launch control, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. You can actually set the RPM that you want it to launch at and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do all that. I'll probably show you guys right now, and then I think I'm gonna wait till it's a little darker to actually record the launches. There's like less like road noise and just stuff like that, so I think I'm gonna record it a little bit later, but I don't know, who knows, we'll see how it is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go out for a little drive right now and show you guys how to actually launch it, show you guys a little process, a little procedure. And yeah, you guys can see the car right here. Woo! Turn it on real quick. I've already been driving it, so it's not gonna have a cold start, but hey, I love that, guys. I think JB4 is the only one that does that. I don't think any other tune does that, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's a little dusty. This thing gets dusty like a day after I wash it, or like clean the inside, the outside too. If I wash the car in the morning, it'll get dusty by night. So yeah, a little annoying, but yeah, I've been kind of lazy to wash the car just because, like I said in my previous video, if you guys watched it, it's not such a long process, but I take my time, so it takes a little while. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it out, guys. Alright guys, so I came out to a little street out here in Mexico and test out the launch control. Right now I'm mainly just gonna show you guys how to do it, because it's, like I said, it's a little procedure that you got to do. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. But basically, what you want to do is, as you guys can see right now, I'm holding onto the brake. You want to have everything set to Sport Plus. So you guys can see everything here set to Sport Plus. Transmission has to be on the highest setting, and your traction has to be off, as you guys can see right there. So you can either set all of this up manually on here, or you can just do how I do it and have your M1 or M2 set to all of that. And right there, it's called race mode. But yeah, what you want to do here is, again, you guys can see I'm holding the brake. You want to set the shifter down and hold it on first gear. You guys can see I'm holding it right there. What I'm gonna do is let go of the brake, and you guys can see on the cluster, launch control active right there. Now at this point, what you want to do is lightly hold onto the brake, not all the way, just a little bit, that way the car doesn't actually move. And you want to go ahead and just floor the accelerator, and what this is going to do is hold the RPMs at a steady RPM. That way it can actually launch itself. And you can, I don't remember if it's this one or this one, but you can use one of these to actually change the RPM, to raise it or lower it depending what RPM you want to launch at. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick one just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But you can see I'm holding the brake, hold the shifter forward for like 3 to 4 seconds, let go of the brake. You guys will see launch control active. And at this point, what you want to do is lightly hold on to the brake and then just floor the accelerator. So if I go ahead and floor the accelerator, you guys can see it's holding it at 3000. Now to actually launch it, I just have to let go of the shifter. That felt crazy. Pretty sure it spun first gear for sure. But yeah, so the shifter is what actually holds the car for you. Once you let go of the shifter, the car will just launch itself. And I believe it was this one. You can use this one to change the RPM, whether you want to raise it or lower it, so I can actually launch at that RPM. But yeah, guys, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how to do it right now. But later I'm gonna come out here and get some better clips for you guys. I'll put on the GoPro and put the car outside. That way you guys can actually see what the car looks like from the back while it's launching. Also, I forgot to mention, the launch will only work like once every 5 minutes or so. Just so that you don't overheat your transmission. It'll put a little brake on it. In case you try to do it again, it doesn't work. It's because there's like a little limit on it, and it won't let you do it until I want to say probably the transmission goes to a certain temp, and then I'll let you do it again, just that way you don't do it over and over and over again and end up overheating the transmission and messing something up. But yeah, just want to let you guys know real quick. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, sport mode is on, traction is off. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so I was looking back at the footage from yesterday when I went to go do the launches, and I guess the G7X was never recording. So I gotta find a new spot now to do some launches because the other is probably burnt out. But that's where we're going today. My brother's gonna be tagging along to help me find a spot and help me record. He's taking the 550. If you want to check out his build, make sure to follow him. I'll leave his YouTube down below. He just started it up. But yeah, we're about to head out right now and find a spot, so see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we found an empty street around here with no cars or anything, so hopefully everything goes smooth. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave my car. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my camera right here recording, and I'm gonna do a launch, and then I'll probably record with my phone as well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're in Sport Plus, traction off, and we're in manual mode. So we're gonna go ahead and launch it real quick. Spins to like third gear, and then it finally grips, so it takes a little while for it to like re-spool. Oh, this is crazy. Alright guys, we're probably gonna do like another launch or two, and then we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you guys right now. Does not want to grip, guys. God damn, I had to let go. Alright, we'll retry that right now. I think I have to launch lower. I think RPMs are too high. Alright guys, last launch before we go home. I think I'm gonna try to launch it like at 2000, so see how it goes. About to go sideways again. Damn. Alright, that's cool though. I'm pretty sure it sounded pretty cool from outside, so I don't know if you guys can hear that turbo spool, but this thing sounds so sick. And the downshifts. Woohoo! Damn, dude. This is sick. Alright guys, so we're now home. As you guys can see, got the car right here. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, guys. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to let me know in the comments below, or any video ideas you guys might have, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, finally we got some launches on the M5, filmed them for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see some content on there. Trying to get more active on there, trying to get more known out here, you know, in the car community on Instagram and stuff. So, you know, we're gonna try to get there. But yeah, Anyways guys, with all that being said, please make sure to stay for future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.